Yan! Yan. Hi guys! Nagbabalik na naman ako. It's JaneRabena. Panibagong araw, panibagong vlog. So, productive na naman tayo. So, today, I'm going to show you what's in my backpack. So, malapit na pasukan ko, which is tomorrow, July 4. And I'm a freshman student. So, kinakabahan ako. And, yeah. So, talagang kinakabahan ako sa first day of school ko for tomorrow, July 4. And also, nakikita nyo, napakasimple ng makeup ko naman ngayon. So, ito yung magiging look ko for my everyday basis kapag papasok ako ng school. So, kailangan presentable kang tignan kahit na nag-aaral ka. So, ayun. Without further ado, let's get started! Cause I'm not just a pretty girl. So, before we go through the what's in my backpack, I'm going to show you that what I bought in Lazada. So, this is the Rode Video Mic Me directional microphone. So, this is a microphone that you can attach to your phone. So, if you're a vlogger or if you're making videos through your phone, this is a perfect microphone. So, it says here, directional microphone for Apple, iPhone, and iPad. So, at first, I thought it would not work. And this microphone is very pricey. So, I thought like, oh no, like, I spent a lot of money for this. But, afterwards, I tested it out. So, yeah, it really works. So, yeah. So, this is what I got from the microphone. I usually don't use this windscreen and this microphone. Hold on. This microphone. So, you have to put it in here, like so. But I don't put it in there because it's useless. And I tested out a lot of videos. So, napansin ko mas lumakas yung audio ko kaysa dati. So, let's make it a difference. So, tingnan natin if tatanggalin natin. Yan, tinanggal. Natanggal ko. So, ito siya. Itong itsura na to. Pag tinanggal ko tong mount na to, yan, ito siya. So, ito yung itsura niya. And ito, mount siya. So, para maipit siya dun sa phone mo, para hindi siya gumalaw-galaw. Bazooka. Or siyang bazooka, like, or kaya grenade launcher. Ang cute niya. So, niya, handy niya. So, kahit saan ka pumunta, hindi siya hassle para sa'yo. So, if ever nasa windy place kayo, you just have to insert this and boom! Diba? Ano ka na? Professional vlogger. So, ayun. I really love this one. So, since it's a worth a penny, kahit napakamahal niya, worth it siya. So, sa mga tao dyan nagva-vlog using their phones, this is a big, parang sobrang saya siyang gamitin. Sobrang handy niya. So, kahit napaka-pricey siya, sobrang, yun nga, I was repeating myself, sobrang, niya, worth it. So, you have to buy it now, guys. So, let's start on my what's in my backpack. Wait lang. Hindi ko mabuhat. Wait lang, baba natin. Bigat kasi, hindi ko... This one. Ay, napasarado. Ayan, this one. This is a Herschel bag, which is in a color gray one. So, maganda siya dahil, tingnan mo, this one, meron siyang butas dito, like a butthole. So, pwede siya paglagyan ng earphones dito. Pwede mong paglagyan. So, ayun, para hindi ka manakawan. And this is color gray. So, kasi kaya ako bumili ng bagong bag. Kasi, ang bigat. Teka lang. Pwede bang iubang? Ang bigat eh. As I was saying, so kaya ako bumili ng bagong bag kasi nag-debut ako and may mga nagbigay sa akin ng mga pera, like money, like Ganun. And I want to treat myself naman. And also, alam ko, magka-college gusto ko ng matinong bag. So, ayun. Sana naman, yung nagsusuot ng bag, tumino na din. And, yeah. So, napaka-waterproof niya. So, bulletproof, waterproof, shockproof. So, wait lang, bigat ulit. Ito siya, dalawa lang yung zipper niya, which is here. And, I have the keychain, which is this one. This cute little bird from Stranger Things. So, namatay siya agad. So, yan. Bubuksan natin muna. Unahin muna natin. Anong gusto nyo? Ini, mini, mini, mo, sino sa dalawa ang pipiliin ko? Ito o ito. Number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, ito muna! Woo! So, this one, to buksan natin like, like, wait lang. Ba natin? Yan. Wait lang. Baba natin. Ang bigat eh. Papakita ko naman sa inyo kung nasa loob. So, inside of my pocket. Pocket ba tawag? Pocket. Inside of my pocket is a perfume. Yeah. Itong perfume na to, this is from Daiso. It's only 88 pesos. So, napaka-long lasting niya and ang bago niya. So, kung gusto nyo maakit yung crush nyo, bumili kayo na ito. Napaka-bango na ito. And ang long lasting niya at 88 pesos lang. Goodbye. My school ID. Like, look at that. Look at her with her long hair. And I am now short hair. So, yun. Baka kasi makalimutan ko, napaka-ulyanin kong tao, diba? This friction pen. And I love friction pen kasi nabubura lahat kapag nagkamali ako. Sana ganun din sa buhay natin na kahit magkamali tayo, meron tayong eraser, pambura, para burahin natin pagkakamali natin sa buhay. Ito, charan! Colored pens. So, ano siya? Ilan siya? 8 pieces of colored pen. So, mahilig kasi ako mag-decorate ng mga notes, ganun. Kasi nakakagana siyang gawin. Last one on my pocket is this one, this cross. So, binigay siya ng boyfriend ko. Whenever I feel na hindi ako safe, I would just wear it and stuff. So, it would guide me everywhere I go, especially sa school. Ayun. Basta, yun. I'm a cupid. And this is a sentimental value sa boyfriend ko. So, I have to take care of it. But, yeah. So, wala na dito. As in, wala na. Like, kapain nyo pa. Oh. Like, tingnan nyo pa. Ayan, wala na. Diba? Kasi baka kasi ayaw nyo paniwalaan. Kasi, diba minsan mahirap na magtiwala. Charot. So, ayan. Bubuksan na natin ang ating main bag. Like, charan! Charan, charan. Ayan. Ayan yung loob niya. Ayan. So, pakita ko sa inyo ano na sa loob ng mahiwagang bag na to. Si ano te? Si backpack. Tingnan nyo. Ang dami kong dala. So, unang-una is this Dell laptop. So if ever walang prof, I used to open this at maglibang. O kaya if ever meron akong paperworks na hindi pa natatapos, I would use this one. This mini laptop thingy. Charger niya. So, ang next naman is this binder, which is my kind of wonderland. So, ito siya. Hindi ko alam ano gagawin or gagawin sa college. So, bumili na ako ng ganito para sa notes or yun. Baka sakaling kailangan lang, diba? Para prepared tayo. And the next one is this Starbucks planner. So, this planner, ito yung pinakaunang planner ko sa talambuhay ko. Dati kasi, collect-collect lang hanggang sa hindi ko na matapos. And ito, talagang first planner ko to. And, ilalagay ko lahat ng schedule ko. Like, anong pinagsusulat ko dito. Diba? Ginagawa ko din siyang notebook. Listahan ng utang. Charot. So, the next one is my water bottle from Starbucks again. So, ito, pink kasi siya. Mahilig ako sa kulay pink. And, ang maganda dito is, pwede mo siyang buksan dito. If may makikiinom sa'yo, dito mo buksan, diba? Para hindi kayo magkahalo-halo ng laway and stuffs. Next one is my power bank. This is Romos. Next one is this one, this little pouch. Inside my little pouch, which is a USB, this hard drive. Ito, grabe, ang daming bag. Is a, charan, an OTG reader. This one is from Mumuso and Oppo. Last thing that nasa pouch ko is this tong pin na to na, this one, itong pin na to. 4 na piraso. This is 2 pairs. So, nilalagay namin siya sa polo dito. Wala lang, para may design yung polo namin, diba? Wala na! Ubus na! The next one is this brush. So, kailangan hindi tayo magmukhang bruha. Kahit stress na tayo, kailangan maganda pa rin tayo. Wallet. Yan. Napaka-wibo ko. Kasi wala na akong wallet. Regaluhan niyo ako ng wallet. Kahit color black or pink lang, or ganun. Yung pink niya, light pink lang. Thank you! So, sa loob nito is, ayan, mga card ko. Like, Starbucks card, 7-Eleven na card. Kasi mahilig ako punta ng 7-Eleven. And then, another Starbucks card. Tas, somewhat ID ko sa condo namin. And then, may 2 video cards. And sa loob neto is some ID. Yon. And then, dito. Ay! And sa loob neto is some coins. Next one is this, my glasses. So ito siya. Sobrang, pagka-suot ko like, wow! And this one, this is the last pouch of my bag. Sa loob ng bag ko, this is my makeup kit. So, inside of it is a Peri-Pera ink cushion. This is my base one. Next one, this is the Maybelline Clear Smooth All-in-One in the shade of Sand Beige. Moisac blush from City Color. 21 eyeshadow. And the number 6, NYX Eyebrow Cake Powder and Fashion Brow Duo. This Maybelline Master Strobing Stick. Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express. This Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof. I just say that in a nice way. Moist Lip Balm Strawberry from Peri-Pera. Full cover concealer. It's a concealer. So, ayan. Mga pula siya. So, lip tint. This one is just parang wala lang. Parang may malip tint ka lang. Parang may kulay lang yung labi. Parang as in natural lang. Parang wala lang. Gusto mo lang may lasa yung labi. And then, this one is itong Peri-Pera Vivid Tint Water. So, pack na pack to. So, all day long, nakastay siya sa labi ko. Matulog man ako or kahit ano mangyari, kumain man ako, nandun pa rin yung lip tint ko. So, buti pa siya, nag-i-stay sa labi ko. And then, next one is kapag ayoko mag-lip tint, gamitin ko to. So, if you haven't been part of the Koi Cars family, just click the subscribe button and like this video. If you'd like, just watch my other videos and to check out more videos about me. And also click the bell thingy to keep you updated from my videos that I will upload every week. And also, if you want a shout out, just comment down below. If you have a YouTube channel or anything, a page, I would link it down below on my next video. And also, please do comment down below what is your favorite thing that you can't forget when you leave at the house. So guys, thank you for watching. So, bye-bye! 'Cause I'm not just a pretty girl.